Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another unboxing for y'all today, and this, I think this is early. This don't come out until Saturday. I got this in like, I want to say yesterday, but anyways, man, before we get into the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And enough of all the talking, let's get into this unboxing. Oh, that was a weak ass flip. And I'm still not liking the Just Do It box. It's just too much, overdoing everything about this shit, man. It's just, I don't know. I'm not a fan of the box. Not a fan of the box at all. But we ain't here for the box. Ooh wee! This came in a new box too. Early pickup. Straight from Nike. They had a surprise drop on these joints. There go the Nike swoosh right there. Ain't gonna put my address in there. And you have, wow, Paul George 3. Nike swoosh on the other. God damn, hold on. And these are the PG3 NASA's. Colorway on this is total orange black. Let y'all get a look at that tag. What was the retail on this? Retail on this was $120. Flip that lid. Ooh, these joints is bright, clean. Wow, fur on the shoes, man. Let y'all get that look at those real quick, man. I want to say this is an early look too. These don't come out until, I want to say, this weekend. So early in hand look of these joints. Oh, these is fire. I think they could have did a little bit more though, like right off the back just looking. But these is definitely fire though. Okay, let's get into the differences first off. Cause I'm only gonna do the review on one shoe. It's hard doing it on two. On this, the left side, the left shoe, you have the PG logo. The right shoe, you have the American flag. Both black pull tabs. On the right shoe, you have the remove before flight tag right there. And it has a number. I don't know what this number is supposed to be for. To call NASA, call Ghostbusters. I don't know, but on that, right off the back, that's about it. On the differences on the back, you have NASA, and on this you have Apollo 13 in Roman numerals. Apollo 13 in Roman numeral, a NASA symbol on that one. And this one has the hang tag on it, so we're gonna do the review on the left shoe. Starting off on the toe box of the shoe, you have an all mesh toe box upper. You have like a little big toe cap right here for like that extra protection on your feet. You have like a blue leather, real thick, nothing premium, but it's real thick though to keep your feet caged in. On the other side, you have the red one, have the arrow pointing, I'm guessing, to this toe cap, pointing forward. You have yellow, kind of like an ocean blue, and like a lighter blue right here for the aglets on the lace holders. Like I said, Paul George, it does not rip off. Would have been dope if it did though. The pull tab actually goes from the toe box of the shoe all the way up underneath this, all the way here. All mesh tongue, mesh on the toe box as well. You have a little black swoosh right here, mesh side. This side, this feel like, I'm guessing they got this from like the NASA, like the suits they actually wear. This is supposed to like pay homage to that. Paul George logo right here on the back heel. NASA symbol. Nice little foam right here. The inside of it, nice comfy inside. You have NASA on the inside of both. You can see that. Have the NASA logo. Nice little cushioning right here on the back of them. Outsole of the shoe, you have the little pods right here from like the PG 2.5. Is this Paul George logo? I mean, not logo, but signature on the inside, kind of indented in, if you can see that. Crazy little pods. I'm guessing this for like outer space-ish. I don't know. And on the side, you have like little waves going around the side of the shoe. It doesn't go all the way on this side, just on this side. Have a smooth finish on this side. Goes all the way around. Toe box, as always, has Paul George's logo right here. I still don't know what this number is for. Can somebody comment down below? Because this was on like all his shoes. Can somebody tell me what this is? Midsole of the shoe. Starts off with like a light gray. Goes into a darker gray. Have a big swoosh right here. On the heel of the shoe, it said, "Don't tell me the sky's the limit when there are footprints on the moon." I'm pretty sure everyone has heard this quote before. It goes from that side all the way around, continuing with that space-like metallic silver on the midsole of the shoe. Sock liner is that light gray. You have hints of that orange in there as well. And my opinion about these are fire. These are fucking fire, bro. I didn't think these was gonna be this good. These are fire though. Really can't wait to get on the court and try these out. Oh, okay. I didn't even notice that. You have two different pods on each shoe. On this one you have a red one, and on this one you have a blue one. So that's real dope. Both of them have like these indentures going around. Both of them have Paul George logo. Oh, and they're actually mixed match too. The blue and the red, you can see it's blue on this one, red on that one, blue on this one. So it kind of like reversed it. Real dope. Yeah, man, these is fire though. I didn't think they was gonna be this good in hand, but these is fire. I'm mad this little pull tab right here don't actually clamp on, because I would have just clamped it inside of the shoe. It's actually on like one of them little strings you just pull off. But yeah, man, comment down below how y'all feel about these. Y'all like them? Is they a pickup for y'all? What don't y'all like about them? And here go a quick on foot of these joints. Early heat, early fire. Hope y'all enjoy it. Here go the on foot, man.
Motherfuckers all they picture. My mama said get a job, I ain't listen. Shit, you doing the same shit that got your daddy gone. Shit, I'ma hold it down till my daddy home. I walk into that money like daddy's home. I got pounds all in my kitchen. I gotta make a play, nigga, with my digit. A nigga ran it up, yeah, check them digits. I came a long way from a pound of midget. Now I got P's, 25 the ticket. With the sauce like a boss, I finesse the system. There's racks out here and I'm going to get them. I send them overnight, yeah, I'm going to get them. I got shooters with me like the Pistons. Got rods like we fishing, you run on, we blicking some shit. You niggas be acting like bitches and bitches be all in they feelings. What's different with this? Get them hold, then we break them down. Sell them bitches all through the town. Paper text, yeah, you see me now. Fish telling, yeah, you hear the sound.
I'm on a bigger mission. I gotta stack my dough till it never fold. Baby, look out for my ambition. Soon as I get them whole, I'ma get them sold. They gon' murder for my position. Whatever I tell them goes, know it bust a nose, and they speak on me any different. Pull up and spill a load, we gon' leave them froze. Yeah, I'm on a bigger mission. I gotta stack my dough till it never fold. Baby, look out for my ambition. Soon as I get them whole, I'ma get them sold. They gon' murder for my position. Whatever I tell them goes, know it bust a nose, if they speak on me any different. Pull up and spill a load, we gon' leave them froze. Yeah.
Used to be broke, now we pop. You see this shit that we pop. What you poppin'? What you poppin'? Big shit only, yeah. Big shit only, yeah. Used to be broke, now we poppin'. You see this shit that we poppin'. What you poppin'? Big shit only, yeah. Big shit only, yeah.
Used to be broke, now we pop. I don't care about a bitch cause I know I got options. And I swear I ain't flogging. Baby, my diamonds be dancing, I got VV sides. TV all life, they'll never stop watching. They be like, what's up with PMG? All my old niggas hating, they envy me. They can tell I'ma fuck up the industry, but all they dissing ain't gon' get them shit from me. Christian Lou bought my shoes cause I can now. I can never get caught with my hand out. Everybody like Central, you stand out. I can't act like a boy, I'm a man now. I got too many problems and not enough bread. This bitch shit we poppin' to take our head. The law wanna cook me and cut all my dreads. I got me a goal, I'ma taste till I'm dead. I just can't hang with no bitch niggas. Straight NBA, they some team switches. How the hell I'ma switch up on these niggas? I roll up grass and leaves with them. Yeah, if I like it, then that's what I'm copping. All this bread that we got, nigga, guess what we pop? Big shit, only, yeah. We told big sticks, only, yeah.
Used to be broke, now we pop. You see this shit that we pop? What you poppin'? What you poppin'? Big shit, only, yeah. Big shit, only, yeah. Used to be broke, now we poppin'. You see this shit that we pop? What you poppin'? What you poppin'? Big shit, only, yeah. Big shit, only, yeah. I hustle and flip for a prop. Got sticks in this bitch cause I know that they watch. And they talking about robbing. Niggas be deep in their feelings because they ain't got. Come with that money and nigga we locked in. Now that little hoe wanna get with me, but she know that she ain't gon' get shit from me. But a hello goodbye and some dick from me. When she get out the whip, then she history. I can never get caught with my pants down. So I'm fucking these hoes with my can out. Every time I look up I see hands out. But too bad I ain't giving no handout. If you broke then my nigga go get you some bread. But you ain't gon'.
Yo, man, so after the on foot review, man, I'm not gonna lie, these joints are stupid comfortable, man. I advise everybody to go a half size up because, as y'all know, basketball shoes do fit snug, real snug, but these are stupid comfortable. Hold on, I still got them on. Let me take them off. Yes, man, these are stupid comfortable. Like, usually, like basketball shoes, you know, like, you gotta break them in a little bit. Like, I ain't gonna lie, getting into like the initial, you gotta loosen the laces up because you won't be able to get your feet in with the DS laces. It's real snug right here so your feet don't slide out. But once you get your feet in, go a half size up. You get to this toe box area, get you some wiggle room. It's gonna be snug because of these right here. Like, kind of like gripping your foot down, so it's gonna be a little snug. But once you get your foot in here, it's like, I don't know, like some foam material or something. It just feel like it just covers your foot. It's real comfortable. Like, basketball shoes usually don't come comfortable, they get comfortable as you play in them. So, but these right here, definitely comfortable shoes. Go a half size up because basketball shoes fit snug, man. And like nothing but good reviews based off the on foot and just me walking around the house in them and everything. Definitely dope. Can't wait to try these on the court. I don't know if this right here is 3M. I will see if this is 3M, this metallic. I doubt it, but I will see. If it is, I'll throw some pictures up there for y'all. And yeah, man, just fire. These is dope, man, no lie. And hope y'all like the on foot. Hope y'all like the review. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up button if y'all like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, early heat, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.
Stay strapped to survive that. Got niggas in the system, they ain't never getting that time back. Wish life was a movie, I would just rewind that. But I can't, so I got a heart full of anger. See the pain in my tears. Lost close family members, still wish I was here. Get over this hurt, yeah. Been trying to for years.